Hi friend, this is Mandeep and you are watching High Technology TV. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about how to create custom images on Microsoft Azure. So right now we are at the home page of Microsoft Azure and these are the resources. This is our virtual machine, this is network security group, and this is virtual network, and this is a resource group. So I have already discussed in my previous video that how to set up all these things. I will provide the link in the description box also. You can check that. So here let's focus on our this particular video. So just click on this virtual machine and this is the copy. Let's copy this IP. Okay, we are able to log in successfully. Let's clear the screen. So here we have already installed Apache and we have done some patching on this particular virtual machine, and we are taking this virtual machine as a source. So for that we have to, let me show you first of all the Apache. So here you are able to see that Apache is running successfully. So let me change some of the content of Apache this particular file. So for that, go to root, use the command sudo bash, then go to the directory, and then open the file index file. So this is the index file which is served by our Apache. So we are going to change some of the content this particular file. We are changing this Apache to Ubuntu default page, this heading, and we are changing it custom images. Custom images in Azure. Done. Save it and let's refresh here. Custom images in Azure you are able to see. So now what we have to do is we have to run a command to generalize our this virtual machine. This is necessary. For that we have to use the command yagent space hyphen deprovision. If you want to remove the user also, so for that you can use the plus user here, but here I'm not using that, and just hit enter. Here it is asking that do you want to proceed, so provide y here. Done. Exit from here. Exit. Done. Now we are back to Microsoft Azure portal. So here we have a option of capture. So just click on capture, and here we are giving it name web app patched image. We are giving it name this, and resource group is our web server, and here we have a option of automatically delete the virtual machine. So we are setting this, otherwise you can delete it manually, but here we are setting this and just click on create. Here it is asking for the virtual machine name, so we have to provide the name of our virtual machine. So that is the source VM, and just click create. So now there are 4 steps. First of them is stopping the virtual machine, and then it is, you are going to see all of these here. So let's see. It is going to take a while, so let's wait for that. Okay, so successfully stopped virtual machine, then it successfully channelized the virtual machine, and now it is running the create image here. You are able to see that it is creating the image right now, and once our image is created, then it will delete the source VM, and image is created successfully. Now it is deleting, so let's wait. Done. Refresh. Let's back to our here and go to the resource group, and on the resource group just refresh. Do one thing, go to the virtual machines and refresh it here. Let's click on this. It should be deleted. Okay, you are able to see that it is deleted. So back to home and then go to the resource group, and on the resource group you are able to see that we have a image of web app patched image. So just click on this, and here you are able to see that we have a option of create VM. So now we are going to create a VM from this particular image, custom image that we have created. So just click on create VM, give the name app1, and here you are able to see that image is web app patched image that we created, and select the size of your VM, and here I'm using the passwords, and here I'm using the password, a different one, username. And here we are giving it web and public IP nothing. On the network security group, give it the web NSG. Management off. This is the boot diagnostic, we are keeping it off, and just click on review plus create. Validation is fast, so just click on create. So our deployment is underway, so let's wait for that. Okay, so our deployment is successful. So go to the resource, and here copy this IP. Open the putty here. Let's okay, and here we are going to log in with the Mandeep. We have created the user Man, but now we are logging with the user Mandeep. And you are able to see that we are successfully able to log in into our server with the username Mandeep that we have used on our first virtual machine, from which we have created the image. So all of the things that are attached to that particular virtual machine is now with this particular virtual machine, because we have used that particular source VM as a image. We have created that. So here we are going to access Apache. And you are able to see that it is serving on this particular IP and with custom images in Azure. Okay friend, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.